A lot of apartments in this city make you walk everywhere, like those over there on that hill. This one doesn't, because you're just a 10-minute walk away from Viva Envigado. If you've been to Medellin, you probably have been to Viva Envigado, and you've probably seen this kind of iconic building that was built just 2 years ago. This is Envigado, and this building was finished in 2024, so everything in here is new. Full amenities, pool, gym, common areas. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 71 square meters, listed at $213,000 US with an HOA of around $115 a month. And the location is what makes this one different. Flat terrain the whole way to the mall, no hills, no Ubers, just a walk. Okay, so everything's close, but what does it actually feel like when you're in here? Let's take a look. By the way, when you're ready to buy an apartment in Medellin, Colombia, we are the go-to boutique real estate agency called Medellin Living Real Estate. I've been here for 16 years. I've bought my own properties, and we've helped hundreds just like yourself buy property here, but we don't have clients. We work one-on-one with our business partners. We want to help you get the best deal in Medellin. If your budget is over $150,000 and you're ready to buy an apartment within the next 30 days here, there's a link in the description below. Fill out the form and somebody on the team will get back to you as soon as possible. Now let's get to this walkthrough. Okay, so as soon as you walk in, you are in the living area and you are in the kitchen as well. That's what I like about this place, is that even though the kitchen is separated by this little bar, we call it an American bar here in Colombia. You could put bar stools there. You still feel like you are part of the living space. You could put a little dining nook there, but this is the kitchen here. You've got the sink over here. You've got the gas stove. You've got the oven, which is actually pretty big. Usually you have smaller ovens in these newer apartments. Got storage space above. You've got the fan up here, and then if you walk back here, you've got the laundry area where you could easily fit the stackable washer dryer or put that 2-in-1 washer dryer here. You got a little sink here as well. Back into the living area so you can see how big it is. One of the things that I noticed when I got here is, look how high the ceilings are. This is higher than the normal height in apartments in Medellin. So it does make the apartment look a little bit bigger than it actually is. This is 71 square meters, 3 bedroom. Let's walk over to the hall here, because the first thing that you'll notice here on the right side is the full bath. This is for the 2 bedrooms that don't have an en-suite bathroom, but everything is pretty much brand new. This was built in 2024, so it still looks brand new. This is the first bedroom here. It's a guest bedroom. It's got a big window, and the great thing about this apartment is look at these views. Every bedroom has an amazing view. So does the balcony. I'm going to show you that here in a minute. But I would probably use this as my kid's bedroom or as an office. And then we're going to go into the next bedroom over here. This one's slightly bigger. Has the same view of the north of Medellin. It's northeast. Both have the closet space here and the master bedroom, which is a little bit bigger and nicer, I think. The first thing you'll notice is this walk-in closet, a lot of storage space. You've got the en-suite bathroom here as well, all brand new. I like the white tile or the gray tile. The gray tile makes it look bigger as well. And this is the bedroom. You could easily fit a king-size bed in this one. You've got the same view as the 2 other bedrooms. You've got the high ceilings. You've got this indent here where you could put a TV if you want. But yeah, there's a lot of space. It's very similar to the apartment that I live in actually right now. The difference is that I live over there, and this one's right here in this flat area, walking distance to Viva Envigado. I think we've mentioned Viva Envigado a lot because it's a point where you can find everything. In Colombia, the malls have banks, grocery stores, beauty salons, barber shops, etc. A lot of places in the United States, malls are dead. Here, they are completely alive. They're building more malls out here. So that's why we mention it so much. Let's go check out the view from the balcony though. And this is the balcony. You've got enough space to put a barbecue out here if you wanted to. And you've got this amazing view, not only to the north like all of the bedrooms, but you have the whole northeast and northwest to your left over here of the entire valley. Right in front of us, we have a processing plant, which means that you'll never have a building that's going to be covering your view. So the apartment is great. It's brand new. You've got an amazing view. But what sets this place apart is the amenities. Let's go take a look at those. You've got a pool, a gym, a common space downstairs, standard for a building this new, but the real amenity isn't inside the building, it's everything around it. Flat streets, no hills, and Viva Envigado 10 minutes away on foot. Grocery stores, restaurants, errands. You're not getting in the car to do any of it. So is this the perfect apartment? Almost. There's one thing I gotta tell you about. So here's the catch. This isn't an undiscovered neighborhood. Envigado has been here. Viva Envigado has been here for years. People know about this area. This residential unit is new in this part of Envigado, but Envigado has been discovered. Most of you probably have been here before. You're not finding some hidden corner of this valley that nobody else has seen before. And there's one more thing that's pretty important. This building does not allow for daily rentals. 30-day minimum. So if you're going for the short-term rental play, this is not your apartment. But if you're going for a lifestyle, resort-style amenities, maybe you have a family, maybe you work from home, and you want to be in a walkable, flat area, then this is the place for you. All right, so what's the verdict? Would I buy this and live with it? Literally just speaking to my brother about this, I would absolutely, because I have a kid. This is a perfect place for a family or a single person that works from home. If you want the Medellin lifestyle without the El Poblado prices, then this is the right call. If you don't want to rely on a car, you don't want to rely on Uber, this is the right call. If you don't want to be surrounded by tourists and short-term rentals, then this is the right call. If you want a turnkey apartment that you don't need to remodel at all, this is the right call. And if you want to work with an experienced team that will work one-on-one with you, then we are the right call. There's a link in the description below. When you're ready to buy within the next 30 days and you have a budget of over $150,000, click on it, fill it out. Somebody on the team will get back to you as soon as possible, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Now we're gonna go ahead to Viva Envigado, grab lunch.